Good evening, folks. So it's that time of year again where we have to winterize Miss Winnie and put her away for the season. So this year we got a new cover for her. First, I drained the freshwater tank. Next, I drained the hot water tank. Next, I installed an air line to the water inlet and blew out all of the water lines in the unit, including the outside shower. Lastly, I poured RV and marine antifreeze in the P-traps. Now it's time to install the RV cover. I didn't get a lot of video of this, but I got the start and the finish of it. We learned last year that there's 4 points on the trailer that will rip this cover over time with all of the wind movement over the winter. So we installed tennis balls on all 4 of the drain outlets on the gutter system of the camper. These tennis balls will help protect the cover from tearing throughout the season. So we cut slits of some tennis balls, installed them. Next, Rocky and my wife rolled out the new cover out of the box. And then we installed it. Now we're to the point where we're strapping everything down. There's straps that come with it and buckles, and you'll see the buckle here in just a second. Oh, that hurt. I am almost 60 years old. I feel like it too. Next, I connect the buckle and tighten the strap. So we'll do a quick walk around now. There are several straps that go underneath, several straps that connect in the back, and 3 straps that connect in the front. So when it's all said and done, it's pretty well strapped down. And from our experience last year, it stayed on very well with this sort of method. One thing I did as well was I put the hitch jack in a bucket, hopefully to discourage little critters like mice from crawling up the jack there into the unit and causing some issues. There is 2 zippers that allows you to unzip the area around the door if you want to access the unit throughout the winter, which we usually do. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, or dissent. You've been watching the Junkyard Tailgate channel. Good day.